Hey, what's up, guys? Today, so sad for the Mustang again. I had a nail, and that day when I took it and I came back and I was putting it on, I just saw the nail. So when you guys are checking, when you guys are changing your tires or taking them off to put air in them or whatever, make sure that, matter of fact, if you're taking it off to put air, make sure it doesn't have a nail, because I found out the hard way. I brought it here and I put it on and I couldn't take it off because I had to do the other one. So I'm gonna take it to a friend in the tire shop, well, the same tire shop I was at, and get it fixed. Damn, right where it was flat too. And I don't even know if they can take it off with the machine because it might rip it. And I got another one, but the other one's from my old Mustang. This navy blue one I used to have, a really nice one that I crashed. But this is way bigger than the one I have. This is like a big old freaking monster truck tire. I don't know what the hell that guy was doing, but that's what I'm gonna do today, guys. I'm gonna drive it. I'm gonna drive my truck over there, and I'm gonna get that fixed. And look at the camber on my tire. Look how it's like towed in. Damn, this one's towed in also. So that's what I'm gonna do today, guys. And I was gonna change the ball joints today, but I woke up late. When I wake up late, I had to dry my clothes and I wasn't prepared. That's what it was, guys. I was gonna do the ball joints today, but I wasn't prepared to do them. I didn't have none of the like parts. The tire got flat and the apartment complex is telling me to kind of like fix it, so I got to do that right now. That's priority right now. So the crown nut and the cotter pin, you see, guys, that's why I want to change them. Look at that. There's not supposed to have that much play. That's the reason why. And there's probably no grease in them, and they're just no good. What the hell is this? Oh wow, this is from a wrench. It's the little where you put the socket on and the little ball. I hope it's not one of mine. Damn, that sucks. Nah, cause my shit don't. Well, my shit don't look like it's broken. Well, yeah, I never know. So, all right. Well, that's what I'm gonna be doing, guys. I'm like sweating bullets, and it might rain too. So, I don't know. Guys, I forgot to take off this paper towel that I put in there because it's leaking. Oh my gosh. Oh, I thought I messed up my belt. Oh my gosh, man. And I told myself, I bet you, I was like, I'm gonna forget that stupid shit. And I did. Damn, bro. Damn, guys, I'm tripping out. What's up, guys? I'm over here at my friend Mark's tire place. He's gonna help me do the ball joints. It's because I had to take off the tire off my apartment because they were telling me they were gonna tow my truck, so the car. So I took it off, and they fixed it real good because they were telling me they couldn't, but they got just a little bit of air. It's just so it can have air. And I'm gonna change the ball joints right now. Me and my homie are gonna do it. He's gonna help me. Everything's good over here. Yeah. And that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go to AutoZone, guys, see if they have them. So I don't even know. They might have to order them or something. We'll see when I get there. All right, guys. Me and my friend Mark, my homie Mark. Say what's up, Mark.
What's up, man?
Yeah. We're gonna. Guys, they couldn't, I don't know, O'Reilly's, I don't know what's up, O'Reilly's. You guys don't have ball joints for my truck. I went to go get ball joints. They didn't have any lower ball joints. So I'm gonna, Mark's gonna cut the fuel hose. I'm gonna put this fuel filter on. And that's what we're gonna do, guys, because they didn't have the ball joints. I gotta order those at Rock Auto. I think we need a knife, right?
Let's see.
I can't believe it, guys. They didn't have no damn ball joints. What kind of stuff is that? What kind of That's a fucking flathead, you fucker. Look guys, it just started to rain. I can't do shit. As the rain stopped, and I'm gonna go under there and just put the fuel filter real quick. Just put it on. I just need this and one of these. Where's the hose?
The hose are down here.
Oh, for us? Yeah, this is a filter, guys. Carb. It's gonna go in like this because it has an arrow. So the carb goes in there like that. So I'm gonna have to order the ball joints, guys, on Rock Auto. Probably this weekend. Hey guys, I'm over here. I'm changing this one now. And I'm gonna mark it and I'm gonna change it. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah.
Yeah, it's filling up. No leaks? Yeah. No leaks.
Put your little fucking palm.
Yes, sir. We're good, sir.
Well, guys, we already put it on there. This is made for fuel. And, the other one wasn't, right? This one? Yeah, I don't know what that was. Made in Thailand. Land, what does that say there? In the end over here?
Yeah, it's Thailand. Thailand.
Hell yeah. Kim Jong-un, I thought so. Yeah, guys, so we changed that. It's, oh, look how nice it is now. What the hell? What kind of shit is that? Bipolar, bro. Yeah, guys, so that's it, guys. Probably gonna do the ball joints. Don't know when. Whenever I get the cash for it, because I had to spend like $10 today on that, and I had the 45, but I have to take care of some other things too. So maybe in a couple days. See what happens. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.